How to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your mobile device, and inside TikTok app simply go to your profile icon. So in profile, tap on the three dashboard available in the top right corner and tap on the settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, scroll down and look for the support or help center option. And tap on the report a problem option available there. So inside report a problem, you'll get to see the live option and simply tap on the live option there. After you tap on the live option, you will be navigated to the hosting live option available there. Tap on it again, and inside there tap on the how to start a live option. So after you tap on the how to start a live option, you'll see a long instruction list or detailed information. Simply tap on the no and tap on the need more help. And now provide detailed information about the issue you are experiencing, including any error messages you are seeing, steps to reproduce the issue, and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. You can also provide them the screenshot and any other necessary informations. After that, be patient and wait for the contacting support to contact you and help you get rid of this problem. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.